QTC Inc. Electric Services. We handle all avenues of electricity. Our electricians are trained to handle all electrical needs, commercial, and skilled especially for industrial electrical. Because we know handling complex, sensitive and expensive commercial machinery is not to be taken lightly. QTC Incorporated offers commercial and industrial electrician services, such as power upgrades, panel changes, commercial TIs, industrial, telecom, ground up, remodels, lighting, Title 24 compliance, lighting controls, and motor controls. Easy to say, we do it all. Underground, new builds, remodels, telecom services, solar, generators, and preventative maintenance. QTC Incorporated is moving with the times in transportation innovation. Build your vehicle charging station at your location today. QTC's wireless division, commercial construction division and steel division deliver quality. Enjoy the streamlined process with our professional team at QTC. We are licensed in Nevada, California, Oregon, Arizona, Utah, Idaho and Washington. We are located at 4175 Cincinnati Avenue, Rocklin, California, and 1220 Industrial Avenue Escondido, California. At QTC, the importance of communication, time management and organization is everything. QTC was founded in 2001, family owned and operated ever since. Visit qtcinc.com or call us at 916-315-0500. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more on QTC Inc. and check out more of our videos.